just a little. There.
You did a good job.
Put it in here. Oops. Don't want a bunch.
Okay.
There's yellow on top. And what's next?
I don't know. What color are you going to do the next square? You're doing all different colors, huh?
Doing this one black.
Which one?
The tires.
Oh, it's going to be black. Oh, okay. You're right.
Now I have water. Oh,
All right.
get water. Not too much. I still have yellow.
Oh, you still got yellow on there? You could blot it on the back of this if you like. See if it works better on you.
Yep.
I love the fact that you're taking your time. And you drew it yourself. That is awesome, Shaderek. I'm so proud of you.
Hey, show that to Mary.
Show it to Mary. Mary Hines. You think she'll like it? You like Mary, don't you? Did you see the color of her face? It was colorful, wasn't it? She fell down.
It looked all black.
Well, it was black and blue. She really hurt herself bad. You like watercolors? As long as we use the watercolor paper, it makes it a lot better than just using regular paper. Huh?
Yeah.
You know, you get good like this, I'm going to put you on YouTube for being one of the younger artists. I'm sure there's a lot of them out there that are young like you. You're 5 years old. Oh, you're doing an awesome job. What?
Look at my finger on my hands. Hey, look.
Well, what am I supposed to do?
I got paint on my hands.
Oh, okay. Okay, we got to catch those drips. See a little drip there? We'll get it. How do we get the drip off? Remember, we just take a little, wait. We'll just take a little drop here, there. I'll put a little water there and we'll get that off. Okay. I'm going to turn off the video again. Okay? We'll get back to it. You're doing an awesome job, Shaderek.